Hey, good morning, you guys. It is like 7:30, 8 o'clock right now in the morning. I'm so freaking tired. I didn't go to bed till like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, and we go to Costco to get some supplies for the salon. Also, I'm going to be running errands right after Costco, and then I'm gonna go home and clean because I haven't cleaned for like a couple weeks now, and I'm sick of looking at my place because it's just dust everywhere and there's just so much stuff that I have to do. You guys, like I'm so exhausted, and today's like my only day off, and I have to do everything all in one day because this coming week I'm going to be so busy, especially with like tax season is coming up. So I'm gonna be like super swamped. I'm also going to be organizing some things at the house, and then I'm going to be rearranging my living room as well and my room because I get tired and I get bored sometimes of looking like at the same thing over and over. So I want to rearrange my living room and like just to like give some more space. And then also I'm going to be doing my room because I'm going to put the makeup table that I have in my living room. I'm actually going to put that in my room so I can have like a workspace for me to edit my videos because Ness has his own room whenever he's recording or working, and I didn't want to be in the living room. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna move that desk back into the room so that way I can have my little workspace again, and I'm not out in the living room with like just in case if he was out there watching TV or something, he's not bothering me while I'm working. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. And he's not gonna be here to help me rearrange, so I'm probably going to be out of breath and my arms are probably gonna hurt like crazy the next morning, but it's gonna be so worth it. But I'm gonna get ready now and head to Costco and then do my errands. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I just got back from Big Lots and I want to show you guys something that I've been trying to get. So this thing that I've been searching for, it's very expensive, and I was trying to find it like at Target, or I went on the Walmart website, Amazon, anything, and it was just so expensive. And then I went to Big Lots. You guys, I found an air fryer. Okay, like look, I'm so excited. It was very inexpensive at Big Lots. When I went to Target, there was an air fryer. It looks just kind of like this. This one is the Emerald Lagasse one, and there was another one. It looks just like it. I forget what brand it was, but it was very expensive. I think it was like 100 and something, like over $200. And when I went to Big Lots, I was like, you know what? There's a Big Lots around where I live. I'm gonna go there. And I just like randomly just went to Big Lots. I didn't even plan on going. I didn't even plan on getting the air fryer there. I just stopped searching for it. And then when I seen the price, I was like, oh my God, I gotta get it. It was literally 70 bucks for this. I'm very excited to use it. I cannot wait because as you guys can tell, for the past couple of vlogs, Ness and I have been trying to eat a little bit healthier, and I've been hearing so many great things about the air fryer. Now that I have one, I'm actually gonna start doing it, and I'm so freaking excited about it. I also got a few things from Big Lots. So I also got an area rug for indoors for our stairs. So whenever, or like the bottom of the stairs, so whenever somebody walks in, you know, they could just step onto this instead of the floor, because especially with the winter, there's like salt everywhere and I get tired of cleaning down there. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this. You guys need to wipe your feet on here and make my life even better. And then I also got some waste bags for the dogs. I was running out, so I seen these It was like, I think it was like 10 bucks for these, so figured I'd get that. And then I also got a new kitchen utensil holder, because the one that we have right now, it's very small, so, and then it has like all these holes, and it's so annoying. Don't mind the dirtiness, I know I gotta clean it. So that's why I got a new one. It's a lot bigger and it will be able to fit everything that I need. And then this is what I'm more excited about. I got these mini oven mitts. They're so freaking cute. So we just use like the basic oven mitts, and whenever I would like pull stuff out of the oven, it burns my fingers. So I figured they had like a bigger one, but I seen these little ones and I was like, ooh, that's so cute. I could just pick stuff up with it and it won't burn my fingers. So I'm very excited to use that. I cannot wait, because I'm probably just gonna start baking the oven or something so that way I can use this. So I'm very excited about this, you guys. But that's pretty much all I got. I also went to Costco and I got stuff for the salon. So I'm going to put all these things away and I'm going to set up my air fryer and possibly start making something. I just unwrapped her. Oh my god, she looks so beautiful, you guys. I'm so freaking excited to use this. I'm actually going to wait until Ness gets off so we can go to the grocery store. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cute. So they have the settings. That's fries, lamb chop, shrimp, oh my god, baking, chicken, steak, fish. Oh, this is so amazing, you guys. I'm so excited to use that. Oh, let me turn that off. But I'm so excited to use this, you guys. I cannot wait. This is probably going to be the best investment that I've ever put into, and we're probably going to use less of the stove and more of this. So I'm so excited to use that, you guys. Look at that, she is a beauty. Shout out to Funko Tyla and the Married Geeks for actually talking me into getting this, because we were talking about air fryers and I've been wanting to get an air fryer for a long time now, and we were talking about it in the Instagram chats, and they just inspired me to get it. So shout out to them. And if you guys haven't followed or subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to put everything right here for you guys, also everything in the description bar for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe to them. They are doing pretty much what my fiance Ness is doing. They're into Funko Pops and their collection, so go ahead and follow them if you guys are into that stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to shout them out really quick. Thanks, guys. So I'm trying to clean the room, you guys, rearrange my room, and I need him to get down. Spring, get down, please. Can you get down? I gotta have a deeper voice. Get down. Thank you. I'm trying to clean the room and rearrange the room again, because I'm gonna rearrange the whole living room as well. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. This is what happens when Ness leaves me at home by myself, because he has to go to work today, and this is what happens when he leaves me at home by myself. Okay guys, this is the final touch on rearranging my room. I pretty much just put it back to the way it was when we first moved in. But I was trying to figure out a way so that way I could put my desk back in for my makeup table / my work area when I'm editing videos. Because I didn't want it in the living room anymore, so I just want it in the room. And then I just have to make the bed, put the clothes away, and clean that area, because this is a hot mess right now, you guys. Hello. But yeah, that is it. Now on to the living room. And when I was moving, I was trying to be very careful moving his Funko Pops because I didn't want to mess anything up or damage any boxes. So hint, no box damage. Subscribe, y'all. So yeah, he would freak out if I were to mess up the boxes. So yeah. Now on to the living room. I finally rearranged my living room again. I had this set up when we first moved in, but the TV was like against the wall, but this time I did it like as a curve. So yeah, here's Cream. He's like ready to eat and ready to go outside right now, but I just wanted to show you guys that. And then rearranged my kitchen just a little bit more, cleaned it up. Everything looks so good now. Rearranged my coffee area. That looks so pretty. And then look at my fryer, guys. So pretty right there. And then I also rearranged the closet in here for where the dogs sleep. I rearranged that, everything up there. All my cleaning stuff, their food. Just rearranged it. Hey, buddy. We're gonna go out in a minute, okay? So yeah. I just wanted to show you guys that. Now I just have to mop the floors. I still gotta clean down there. So this is the rug that I was talking about right here. I have another one. I was gonna put it down there. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, look at that. All that soaked. Gotta clean it up. I had towels down there, so now I gotta clean that up, and yeah. But I really like the way I arranged the living room. This is really good. And yeah, I finally got my candles lit. All right, so now I'm done with everything else. I just need to tackle this. There's so many things on here. All of like my hair products, makeup, everything, hair tools. I just gotta declutter this, and this is all of Nessa's stuff. I gotta declutter all of that because it's driving me insane. And then I just gotta clean the bathroom. I wanted to show you guys this. The Gucci Bloom is my favorite perfume. Also the Chanel Gabrielle. These two are my absolute favorite. So I got these candles at Bath and Body Works, and this one is called Island Margarita. Oh, it smells so good. I love that smell. I think I might light that one up in the room. And then this one is Pink Apple Punch. Oh, it smells so freaking good, you guys. Oh my god. I love these candles. I finally finished my workspace area, and I am so happy with it. Like, look, you guys, it took me a minute to figure out how I wanted to do it. So it's like right next to my bed, so this is gonna be perfect for me. This actually used to be my makeup table, but I'm just gonna use it as my like just workspace for now. And then I'm going to be using this area right here for my makeup and hair, like whatever I'm gonna be doing for my makeup and hair, I'm just gonna do it right there. And then my workspace will be right here, so it'll be easier. And yeah, as you guys can see, I got my my trainer hand right here for when during quarantine I did videos and stuff, and nailed by Anna. But yeah, I still have like all of my makeup and stuff in here still, so there's like a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I just didn't want to get rid of that. I have to organize that one of these days, and probably try to find, because that's like the Alex drawer from IKEA, so I'm gonna try to possibly get another one so that way I can put it under here and have all my makeup stuff there, since you know there's already all my hair and makeup right there. So I'm gonna get another Alex drawer one of these days, and that way I can move all of my makeup stuff from this drawer to the other, or just like swap them out, so that way I can have all of my office supplies there. So yeah. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually waiting for Ness to get off of work so that way we can go to the grocery store. I'm probably going to be making steak and zucchini fries, also mashed potatoes, and I'm going to try the new air fryer, see how that goes. I got some recipes off of Pinterest, so I'm actually really excited to try the air fryer. So I'm just waiting for him to get off, and then we can go to the grocery store and start cooking. So I will see you guys later. Ooh, they turned out really good, you guys. I'm about to plate these up and then put the steak in. Okay, my steak is done. Ooh, that looks so bomb. Here is the finished product. Got the steak, zucchini fries, and some mashed potatoes. It's still not bad. That's what it looks like. Could probably be a little bit more crispier. I cooked these for 15 minutes in the air fryer, and the steak I cooked a total of 12 minutes, 6 minutes, and then I flipped it over, and then another 6 minutes. That's for like medium rare. If you want it well done, then cook it for like an additional I believe it said like 5 minutes. Yeah, but I'm about to eat my dinner, you guys. And thank you for watching this vlog and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, comment down below, and I will list everything that I made in the description bar so you guys can try it out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!